Good morning, my royal beauties. Today is May 8th. It is Wednesday, and I decided that I'm gonna vlog today. I don't know exactly why, but if this ends up being a kind of interesting vlog, then I'm gonna upload it. If it doesn't, then I'm not gonna upload it. But yeah, I don't have work today, which I'm really happy about because I usually work Wednesdays, but I guess I'm not gonna work today. So yeah, I'm gonna probably hang out with my friend Jaden, and yeah, I'm getting ready for school right now. I'm wearing this dress today. It's like this. Oh my gosh, you guys can see it. And yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth right now, and I always do my makeup in the car, so yeah, but I'll see you guys later. So yeah. Good morning. Are we taking my mom's car? I'm wearing these shoes my boyfriend got me for my birthday. And this is my mom's car. We have to take it to school right now because we used to take Jackie's car, which that's her car right there. But we stopped taking it because it's really old and it stopped really working really good. So now we take my mom's car to school. So our school is about 30 minutes away, so we can't be taking like a nasty car. But this is our doggy Roxy. Oh, she's so dirty, guys. She goes inside in my brother's room a lot, but she's really crazy. Oh, so cute. Okay, cute. I gotta go to school though. But it's a really pretty day. You guys can hear the birds, and it's kind of sprinkling a little bit. It's probably, yeah, it's not noticeable at all, but it is sprinkling. Let's see, there's some raindrops. So I'm walking to my online class, and I'm late. So that's why I'm taking advantage of vlogging because I don't want people from school to see me vlogging. But yeah, this is my school's parking lot, and I'm not gonna show you guys my school for obvious reasons. But hi guys, this is my best friend Monique. You guys will see her at lunch. But right now is 5th period, and then after this I have lunch. 4th period. No, it's 5th. She's dumb, as you can tell. So dusty. Jesus Christ. Where's it at? Right here. I'm gonna record that. Oh my god, my kid's face is in the video. Yeah. Wait a second. So I just got home and it's so windy, guys. I don't know if you could hear the wind, but like I don't know what is wrong with Arizona. It was starting to get hot again, and now it's getting cold again. But it's not even like cold right now. It's like really nice, and like the wind is actually warm. And I mean it's like fresh, and I like that because sometimes in Arizona when it's windy, the wind will be like hot, like it's like a heater or something. But yeah, I actually really like this like windiness. I don't know about you guys, but I love when like the weather's a little rough. This beautiful princess. Oh my beautiful princess. You want me to throw your toy? You throw your toy? Want to do it? There's my ratchet boy, guys. But my baby, she is so pretty. She's so gorgeous, guys. It's Canela. I don't know if you guys have met her, but Canela. Canela. You get so excited when I come back home. You get so excited when you come back home. Happy baby. Happy baby. Let's be back home. All the way. Go kick off my shoes. And hopefully go just take a nap in this beautiful, gorgeous bed.
The resemblance of our friendship.
Oh my god.
Like, it's just washing.
Here, don't say any tea. Don't say any names.
You said don't say anything.
So I just got home, guys. I had a really good day today, to be honest. There was a little bumps on the road, if I don't say something. It was because like my dress is so cute, but I was wearing it with this jacket because I don't like being that girl who's like always trying to like show my butt and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed, and I have work tomorrow, so definitely not vlogging. But I'm gonna go to sleep now, and I hope you guys have a splendid night. Make sure to pray before you go to bed, guys. But good night. I love you all.